What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I know some of you might be like, where have you been? You've been gone 6 whole days. It was my mom's last week here in South Africa. So we did a bunch of things together. Took her to the theme park, casino, showed her around. She loves to chit chat with everyone. Beautiful weather we're having. I'm from Canada. It's very cold. On a small talk, I'm like, oh my God, all the drivers, all the people working everywhere. Anyways, a lot has happened. We had a major dump with the Iran drones into Israel. Doesn't look like it's going to lead to a full-out war, but enough to cause a dump in the market. But we are recovering a little bit. So I want to go over what I'll be looking at for Gala. I was also pulling my hair out last week trading. Had 10 wins, 10 losses. This is the worst week I've had in a while. 10 wins, 10 losses. Every week before that was winning, and we're down 72% on the week. Sorry, guys. 7 wins, 5 losses. Not 10 wins, 10 losses. 7 wins. 10 wins, 10 losses was in my 100x sniper. Yeah, 10 wins, 10 losses. Yeah, so this was the first losing week I've had in crypto since I started giving these signals. So, but we're back on track. Gala Games, bang, bang, short. TP2 already, 67%. Same thing with BTC, nice little short, bang, bang. 100x leverage. You can gain access at the end of the video. So, Gala Games, major dump, possible, leading a diagonal off the bear market low, wave 1, wave 2, pullback, boom, wave 3. Coming down on the wave 4, pull back to the 78.6 with a fib retracement from the 2 to the 3. Can open this up. Bro, why is my fib that far away? Let's bring it over. And we need to hold the trend line. We can come back and retest it before bouncing back to the upside. But we came all the way back down to the 4-cent range. So if you're looking to get into Gala, not financial advice, my break even is 0.033. So I watched my investment over double and then come right back down. That's crypto. I'm not selling until we get closer to the end of the bull market. So yeah, the invalidation is the way too low. If we break 0.019, then we're going to create a new bear market low. I don't think that's the more probable scenario, but if a full-on war breaks out, America gets involved, World War III, knock on wood, God forbid, I definitely think it's on the horizon, to be honest. It's getting pretty serious. But if that were to happen, yeah, you're going to see a major dump in the market. So could create a new bear market low. But until then, decent chance we hold that trend line. Weekly chart, daily. Give me the weekly. I know I opened the weekly. Weekly chart came right back down to retest the bullish cross. So pretty normal, guys. Overextended. I wasn't expecting the dump to happen when it did, but that's crypto. Come back down, retest, hold the bullish cross on the weekly. Buy and go to the beach, as CoinsKid would say, and then boom. So good entry point, in my opinion, for your long-term HODL position, not financial advice. But we need to hold this trend line in the 78.6 at 0.03488. Or you could start to worry that you're going to come all the way back down to this low of 0.021. All right, gang, my trade signals are absolutely free. Yes, I had a pretty mediocre week last week, the first one in crypto. But it's funny because the week before that wasn't the best week in Forex. And then last week in Forex, I just crushed it. Look at this, guys. 7 wins, 1 loss, mostly trading US 30. So that's the way it goes in trading. I must have had like 5-6 weeks in a row in crypto that were winning weeks. And just took one small losing week. So wasn't even that bad when I totaled it here. Just 72%. Risking about 2%, 1 to 2% per trade. So yeah, I'm trading Gala, I'm trading BTC. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN. Sign up through my affiliate link. Make your first deposit. Even in North America, no KYC, no VPN. I know you guys need an exchange. Email me or sign up email after your first deposit. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis. I just got an alert. Might be for a trade. BTC. Let me take a look at it. Yeah, for my analysis, my exact crypto trade setup's 50x sniper, 100x sniper, which is 50 and 100x leverage. And crypto news, members like to post their profits in here. One member took the signal on Gala right here. Forex signals every day. Crypto Forex for free. Sign up and deposit to Bitfinex. Send me an email. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.